What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new series on this channel. In today's series, we're going to be trying to take 250k accounts from TOPSTEP, trying to pass it and trying to get a payout from it. It's been a while since I've done a series like this. I think the last series I did was the 50k series, and I ended up getting a payout and we ended up finishing off that series. So might as well try this series. I currently have 250k TOPSTEP accounts that I have linked up together, and I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of an update video in terms of express funded accounts that I have and payouts that I've received, and we're just going to be going over my TOPSTEP dashboard. I think I just want to give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on before I start the series. So we're going to jump straight into the desktop right over here, and I'll bring you guys along. Alrighty guys, we're on the desktop currently. We can see I have one of the 150k accounts purchased right over here. I have another one that I ended up trading today, and we are up about $1,000 on the account, so close to about 1% on this account. It mentions that I've used a reset for this account today. Unfortunately, did end up blowing the account, so I went ahead and purchased or used one of my reset credits that I have available. I have a reset credit available because on the day that the AWS outage happened, TOPSTEP was affected by it, and so they give out reset credits and basically reverted everyone's accounts back to whatever it was the day before. So we can see I have two of the 150k accounts linked up together. I have another two express funded accounts here, which are basically blown out. It's just been a weird trading month, or a weird trading week, I should say. It looks like, NASDAQ just wants to keep pushing up, keep making new all-time highs, and there's no sells that are happening. So every time that I would anticipate a sell to the downside, I would just get stopped out. I would enter, get stopped out, get enter, get stopped out. And because there's only a 4% maximum loss limit on these accounts, I basically ended up blowing the account. So we can already see that the account balance for this express funded account is sitting at negative $2,000. And the other express funded account, I'm $300 away from blowing the account. So basically, I'm just going to say that I've already blown these accounts. Now, when it comes to trading, this is what happens. This normally happens that you get a funded account and you're not going to end up keeping it. Now, if you're looking for long-term success, you have to fund your own account so that you don't mess around with these challenges or whatnot, and you can just keep withdrawing money whenever you want to. However, me personally, I like to go through the funded route because I'm basically putting less capital up to try to get a lot of money, and it's been working out for me just fine. I've been making a lot of money from here and there. I've been pulling out money from TOPSTEP. It's not like I've been losing money. I just want to be transparent with you guys and show you guys this is the life of a trader, an actual trader who has ups and downs. Now, who knows, with this 150k account series that I'm doing, I might end up blowing both of them, and that's what it is. It is what it is, and guess what, we have to just move on and purchase another account and try again until we pass. And basically your goal is to get a payout that can pay off all of these losses that you had. So the recent couple payouts that I got kind of wiped out already all these losses that I've had in express funded accounts, or these fees that I've already paid. And so I also made profit on it as well. It wasn't just that I broke even or lost money on it or whatnot. I made money off of it. My withdrawals covered my fees. On top of that, I had some money to go ahead and spend it and do whatever I want, where now I get to spend it on two of the 150k accounts. Now, the good thing about these reset credits is that I have 4 reset credits available. So basically, if I end up blowing these two accounts, I can reset them for free. That's why I'm going for the 150k account rather than the 50k account, because if I mess up the 150k account, I don't have to pay another $150 for it. I basically get it for free. Now, the same rules still apply, that there is a $150 activation fee, but it is what it is. We're just gonna purchase it and activate our account, get the express funded account, and hopefully land a payout. So yeah, that's basically the dashboard. We have 2 express funded accounts that are basically at end of life, and we have 2 150k accounts right over here. If I actually launch the TOPSTEP X platform, I'm going to be showing you guys that I am trade copying these 2 express funded accounts. So I have the trade copier enabled. In terms of my risk setting, I'm going to be risking $1,500, about 1% of the account balance, aiming for around $4,500. I think that's about 3% of the account balance. So I'm trying to not hit that consistency rule. I have a personal daily loss limit of $2,000, which will liquidate and block me, and these are automatically applied to my risk and profit brackets to new positions. So anytime I open up a new position, it will automatically be applied. And like I mentioned before, I've already traded this account and I'm up $1,100 on the account. Let's hope we can continue this momentum moving, because if I'm able to pass both of these accounts and if I'm able to get a withdrawal on it, this might be my biggest payout to date. So if I can get, say, 10 grand on each account, which is, you know, pretty hefty amount, that's 5 grand from each account, around $10,000 in payout is what I'm aiming for. And who knows, I'm gonna try to take my time with this because this is a lot of money. And yeah, that's basically the update video and the introduction to this series, the 150k series. And maybe along the way I might purchase another account just because I have those credits available. Might as well. But yeah, that's basically the video. Kept us under 6 minutes long, which I'm happy about. Let's have a good trading session, guys. Let's be productive with our trading. Let's be risk averse with our trading. Let's get some payouts. Yeah, I will see you guys on the first week of live trading, which should start, you know, next week or even this week. I don't know. I might trade Thursday. I might. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and goodbye.